Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this really cool and fun leopard print look. So if you would like to see how I got it, then keep on watching. The other day on Instagram I saw this really cool leopard print eyeshadow look from a girl named Lucy Hart. I love leopard print, so I really wanted to try and recreate this, so that's what I'm gonna do today. So I want to start off with my skin today, and I already primed my face off camera. I used the Maybelline Master Prime, the hydrating one, and for foundation today I'm going to use the NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil in the shade Vanilla Nude. For concealer, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 5 Ivory. For bronzer today, I wanted to give this another shot. It's the Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer in the shade 01 Cool. Now, I tried this out in my full face of first impressions video, and if you haven't seen that, I'll link that in the cards above. But when I first tried this, I really did not like it, and I really haven't touched it since then, so today I figured I would give it another go. So I'm going to apply this with my e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. And so on camera it looks fine, just in person, in real life, like what I'm seeing in my mirror, it looks really red still, which was one of my big issues with it. So I think I'm gonna go over that with my favorite, my Colourpop Coconut Beach bronzer, and this is a Beige Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 2 brush. Next I'm going to do my eyes, and first I want to create the shape that I want the shadow to be in. So I'm going to go back in with my concealer, and I'm going to take this tiny little detailer brush, and this is the Beige Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 12 brush. So I'm going to go in with the concealer, and I'm going to start it like I normally do with like my cut creases. It's easier to do than to explain. And I'm going to do one eye at a time. And so when I get to this outer corner of my eye, I'm kind of going to flick it out, kind of like a winged liner, I guess is the best way to describe it. And so now I'll go in with more concealer and fill it in. I'm going to take my Morphe M421 brush to help me fill this in. Okay, so there's the shapes done. So for this look, you can really do any color. You can get as creative as you want. But I just wanted to stick to neutral tones today. So I'm gonna go into the Tartelette and Bloom palette. I'm gonna take the shade Smarty Pants, and I'm gonna take that on my Beige Cosmetics Studio Pro number 9 brush, this little shader brush, and I'm gonna pack the color over top of that concealer. So next for like the dots, like the brown spots, I'm gonna take this. It's the Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Maliboo. And basically I'm just gonna dot this wherever. And for like the dots and everything, it's okay if it's messy. I think it looks pretty cool. Leopard spots, they're not like perfect or anything. So I'm just gonna dot these on. Okay, so I'm just gonna let those dry, and I'm gonna keep my eye closed just so the lipstick doesn't like transfer or anything. Okay, so now that the lipstick is pretty much dried, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Expert Liquid Liner, and I'm gonna outline the dots with these, and then I'll add like the small little dots with this too. Okay, so I just let that dry too after I finished with the eyeliner. So that's how it's looking. It looks really cool. I'm loving how it looks. I'm gonna do this eye now, and I'm just gonna speed through it. For blush today, I'm going to use my Morphe Blush Trio and Pop of Blush. And I'm going to take the shade Sexy. For a highlighter, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution Highlighter Reloaded in the shade Just My Type. Off camera, I just did my eyebrows and mascara, and everything will be listed on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me on there for all products and everything. And now for false lashes, I'm going to use the Kiss lashes in the style Lacey. For my lower lash line, I'm not going to add any shadow, but I am going to do mascara. So I'm going to add a coat of the Tarte Light Skin Lashes mascara to my bottom eyelashes. And for my lips, first I'm going to take the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Beige and line my lips. And next, I'm going to use the MAC Cosmetics Dreamy Genevieve lipstick. So that was the finished look. I love how this came out. It's so fun. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also make sure that you're subscribed. And I will see you all next time.